This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Josey Ruccolo. Enjoy oceanfront living in this spacious 1-bedroom 1.5 bath remodeled unit in Sea Air Towers. Amazing open concept kitchen. Ocean views from the balcony. Lots of closet space. Has convenient community laundry facilities on the same floor. Great building and well managed. Amenities includes pool, gym, game room, billiards, ping-pong, party room, direct access to the beach. Close to airport, shops, Gulfstream Village, and casinos. This must-see unit is furnished and ready for you to enjoy and come make it your home. For more information, review the details below or contact Josey Ruccolo at 954-275-6049.